Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps disappearing on your Windows 10. So first of all, what you have to do is if you have been using WhatsApp application, you have to uninstall it. So make sure that you have taken a backup from your phone or maybe your PC. Then come here, then search for WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp, it will also show you something called uninstall at your right side. Go ahead and uninstall it. Once done, you may go ahead and download it again from your Microsoft Store. So simply open your Microsoft Store, then search for WhatsApp and then install it. Now secondly, if it's still not working, then you may try and use WhatsApp web version for a certain period of time. So select this login button and the link is whatsapp.com. You will see login. Select login. Take out your phone and scan this QR bar in your phone and get logged into your account via a web browser and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then simply restart your device and it will definitely fix the problem if you wait for a couple hours.